Dear friends, it's been a long time since I last recorded a video. Here is a new video, very short, about a new flare that I'm going to complete. As you can see, it's different from the other templates that I've done because there are new kind of effects that I was not able to reach some month ago, and now I can do it. I'm talking about this similar to lens effect that changes form. This one is changing form from a circle to an ellipse and is vanishing through this straight line. And I think that this is a very good effect, more realistic than the other that I've done. It can be useful. It's not completely functional now, because if I bring it into my flared, now it doesn't work well because of a coordinates problem, but I think I'm going to solve it, and I want to give this flare to you as a gift. So if you have already bought flared, you will receive an email with a new version that you can download with this flare in the next days, as soon as I will be able to complete this without mistakes and errors. I'm going to release a new version too, because I found a bug into the 2.81 version of flared. The bug is that the sunbeams were not working properly. So I've solved it, and you will find the new version to download in your email directly. If you have any question, please write me. Thank you, have fun with flared, and bye bye.